want to see how long before I can hold a shark pen. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
It's not working.
How?
Yeah, hold it harder.
You gotta say the name.
I don't know. Keep working it.
He's lying.
I'm serious. That shit got me earlier. Seriously. I don't know what it is. Oh, I could have made like a big lie about it and be like, alright, let's try it.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
It still does it.
Let me try.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
What's that? Oh my god. It goes through everything. That's